everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to check video card in PC using a quick and simple method so you can see your graphics details easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right-click the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. A quick access menu will appear with several system options. From this list, select Task Manager, which is used to monitor your system's performance and running applications. Step 2. Once Task Manager opens, click on the Performance tab from the left sidebar. This section shows real-time information about your CPU, memory, disk, and other hardware components. It is important because it helps you understand how your system hardware is working. Step 3. Scroll down through the list of hardware components in the Performance section. At the bottom of the list, click on GPU, which stands for Graphics Processing Unit. This is the component responsible for handling graphics, videos, and games on your PC. Step 4. After clicking on GPU, look at the top right corner of the window. The name of your video card will be displayed there clearly. This information helps you know the exact graphics card installed in your computer for updates or troubleshooting. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.